Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Kids, now we're writing capital letter alphabets and numbers. Yeah, dark pink color, light pink color, black color, and the next one is red color. Now we're opening the color of exactly purple, light green color, sky blue color, and the next one is silver color, orange color, blue color, dark green color. The next one is white color, yellow color, and the last one is brown color. Now we're using the color of orange and writing alphabets A, B for ball, C, D for doll, E for egg, F for fish, G for goat, H, and the next one is I for ice, I for ice cream. Black color, kids, now we're using the color of black and writing J, K. The next one is L for lemon, M for mango, N for nose and for nest. The next one is O, stay with us, P, Q, R, dark pink color, S for snake, T for teacher, U for umbrella, V, W for watch, X for Xmas tree, Y, Z, light green color, number of 1. The next one is 2, 3, THREE 3. The next one is 4, FOUR 4, 5. Kids, now we're using light pink color, 6, 7, 8, 9, NINE 9, 10, TEN 10.